3, 2.
Yo guys, Josh is back, and today we're going out on the bikes. What I got for Christmas, and we're going to go downstairs to George's garage,
and we're going to do a bike check.
and show you the bike, and then we'll go out on the bike. So I'll see you in a second.
In a bit, cuz.
Yo guys, so as you can see behind me, I've got my bike, George's bike, and George's dad's bike, but Jack's using this. So we're going out and we'll do a bike check in a second. Yo guys, Bike Life Gang is back, Josh. So today we are going out on the bikes. I just showed you the bike. This is my new 2017 Carrera Hellcat limited edition. Big bike with 20-inch frame and 29-inch wheels. And this is George's bike. It's got the Carrera Vengeance.
2016 edition. 16-inch frame with 27.5 inch wheels. With disc brakes and a nice suspension.
We're going on the bike and we're going to show you what we can do on the bike. We can't do much because you know we got it for Christmas. That was like what, a week ago. So we're just going to go out on the bikes. I hope you enjoy the first video back.
And if we're lucky, you might let me have a go on his bike, so I can do some wheelies.
Well, let's go!
Peace.
Right. Guys, the thing we have to do is get out of the garage. We ain't got the key. Let's go. There's Joe, George, there's Jack.
Let's pop wheelie, ready?
Alright.
I'm gonna pop it past ya. I'm gonna pop it past. Watch out then. Ready, two. Whoa, fuck, go.
No swearing on this channel, thanks. Now you're gonna see me ride it. There's a car.